Very good evening to one and all. In this beautiful weather and evening, I am going to discuss about the several economic challenges with which India is suffering. India, which is currently increasing at a very fast rate, and we are the fastest growing major economies of the world, but we are struggling with several challenges, and these challenges are very high in terms of their uncertainty. The first challenge is the Trump tariffs. The President Donald Trump, since he took over the presidency of US, have impacted us a lot. Whether it is attack on the Chabahar port, impacted us with the tariffs, several calling out that he had leveraged the ceasefire between India and Pakistan, or have called it out or criticized India on the several issues, or especially on the tariffs. Since President Donald Trump's tariffs, our trade surplus with US, which is one of the largest trading partner of India, have continuously decreasing, and it has decreased more than 40% since then. Our exports have declined to US, and US exports like oil, its corn and several agriculture exports have increased to Indian markets have a lot. We are one of the greatest markets of the world. We know it. This is a fact, and every country is looking to get access to India's market. But for India's point of view, we need to reduce our trade deficits, and we see that trade deficit with China have crossed 100 billion mark last year, and this year in the 6 months itself it has crossed more than 67 billion mark. So it is on a trajectory. Another issue is of this El Nino. This El Nino is a climatic condition where we are impacted with a huge heat stress and as well as lack of rain. This lack of rain has not only impacted the gig workers, or these gig workers which have impacted with a huge stress. They have compromise between their health and their delivery or number of deliveries. And another sector is the agriculture sector. This agriculture sector, which is providing 45% of country's overall employment, but only producing 18% or contributing 18% in India's economy. So we need this agriculture sector to be taking boom in the upcoming years. But what is happening, this agriculture sector has been under continuous stress, and have made so many videos over it. So this El Nino, which is one of the crucial, or which is one of the dangerous climatic effect, is continuously affecting India's agriculture, because in the past May or June we have affected with 40% rain deficit. This 40% rain deficit has certainly impacted the crop conditions of India, and definitely the crop production will be impacted a lot, which will impact the salary of farmers, laborers and people directly or indirectly associated with the farming sector. And another concern is of this blockade of Strait of Hormuz, or the war which is being continuously going on. Since the attack on the Saudi Arabia's warship, or Saudi Arabia's oil tankers by Houthi rebels in Yemen, this conflict have completely widened, and it has even reached to Bab el-Mandeb Strait. The Strait of Hormuz blockade, which have impacted us a lot in India's manufacturing of fertilizers, manufacturing of several other semiconductors, or exports of India into this Strait of Hormuz or these Gulf countries markets, or impacted with our 80% oil needs which is coming from this route. So we are highly impacted with this. And this blockade have created a huge problem with India's manufacturing sector. The semiconductors, heliums, fertilizers, or getting up of LPG, petroleum related products. India's middle class have impacted a lot with the increase in the price of the LPG and as well as petroleum products. And our oil marketing export countries have suffered a huge loss. Their Q1 loss was sufficient to compensate the profit of the whole year of 2025. So these are some economic challenges we need to look ahead. Thank you.